Hi, this is just a little tutorial on how to change the notifications in your settings. So you're going to click the hamburger and go down to account settings. And then you're going to click communications. Now here's where you're going to decide if you want to be notified through email or through the push notifications. If you want to be notified through push, you need to make sure that you're using the app. It won't work unless you have the app on your phone and you're logged into it. Then you want to be notified for any of these, maybe activity reminders, daily summaries, weekly summaries, sign up notifications. This is the important one, the announcements and messages, and then a comment notification. So for you, I would suggest only being notified for announcements that you have personally commented on. If not, you're going to get notifications on all comments. You can either personalize advertising or not, that's up to you. And then at the bottom, you are going to save changes. And then we've updated successfully. You're able to come on here and change it as often as you want. If you do not have the app, go ahead and just have it update you through email. And I would just suggest checking your email in the morning and maybe in the evening, and hopefully that can help keep you a little more informed than what you are now. If you have any questions about this, please let me know, and I hope this was helpful.